Hello, children. Please open to page 22 of your books. Take a pencil in your hand. The name of today's chapter is Great Indian Scientists. So, again, this is a new chapter and this is very interesting. Why? Because we can know names of different scientists. Either you may be familiar with the names of these scientists, they are Indian scientists. So, here the clues are given. So, we need to understand and read the clues and need to identify the Indian mathematicians and scientists whose contributions have benefited humanity through the ages. So, come to the first one. He was a great ancient Indian astronomer and mathematician known for his work on the revolution of the earth and prediction of eclipses and the use of place value in number system. India's first satellite was named after him. Now, this is the biggest clue you can get. India's first satellite was named after him. So, our first satellite was named after Aryabhatta. So, see, there is a picture given also here. So, this scientist, the clue given is the name would be Aryabhatta. Please, everyone, write over here Aryabhatta. Okay? See the spelling? Please write over here Aryabhatta. Come to the second one. He was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. He was very famous. Why? Because on Ayurveda he wrote the first book. His name was Charaka. 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 His picture is also given, but it is not that much visible. But he was almost like a yogi because he was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine. So Ayurveda's first person who came up with the book was Charaka. So try to underline. Here you need to know India's first satellite was named after him, that is Aryabhatta, and here Ayurveda book first known as Charaka. So small portions you need to know because one or two liner question will be coming, but you need to know, for your remembering you need to know that the first satellite was named after Aryabhatta. Ayurveda's first book was made by Charaka. Come to the third one. His groundbreaking work was in Shalya Tantra. Shalya Tantra means curing patients through surgeries. So surgery came after this person introduced. He developed various unique techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. Who did this? His name was Sushruta. Sushruta. Okay, the name of the person is Sushruta. His groundbreaking work. What is groundbreaking? Means the work which he did changed many people's notion of treatment, because earlier people only had Ayurveda and medicinal plants, but then after Shalya Tantra they came to know that there can be dissection done in human body as well. And what is dissection? Dissection means operating the human body. Okay, come to the fourth one. He was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician who also had a thorough knowledge of Western astronomy. He is also known for his book Pancha Siddhantika. Pancha Siddhantika is a very famous book which is a detailed study of Western and Indian astronomy. So, whose name is being considered? Here the name of the person is Varahamitra. This Varahamihira is a very famous person. Varahamihira. Why? Pronunciation is Varahamihira. The person has come up with the first book on astronomy on Western and Indian. Both in astronomy are considered. Name of the book is Pancha Siddhantika. So this small name of the book is important. The name of the person is Varahamihira. These small portions please try to remember. Come to the fifth one. He was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books of the Mahabhaskarya and Laghu Bhaskarya. These two books was included in his major work, and the name of this person is already we have most of you have heard or may be new to you all. The name of the person will be Bhaskara 1, that dealt with the longitudes of the planets, solar and lunar eclipses and the phases of the moon. So longitude of the planet and these topics were dealt by Bhaskara 1. His name was Bhaskara 1 and the book's name was Mahabhaskarya and Laghu Bhaskarya. Okay. Come to the sixth one. All these people whom we are reading, they were all Indian mathematicians and scientists. So please remember this, they were all Indian mathematicians and scientists. Now come to the sixth one. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 6th century, known for his book Brahmagupta Siddhanta. This is also an astronomical work. This is astronomical work, Brahma Sphuta Siddhanta. Brahma Sphuta Siddhanta. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. Zero, the meaning of zero was defined by this person. The name of this person was Brahmagupta. The name of this person was Brahmagupta, and his work, name of his work or name of the book he made was Brahmasphuta Siddhanta. Brahmasphuta Siddhanta. Please try to remember the names of the scientists given and write over here the names accordingly so that you can remember for later study. I know you all will be reading this chapter very well. Try to remember the points. If you have any problem regarding this chapter, please let me know. So I want you all to submit writing these names of the scientists, and the next week I will again be posting some questions on this chapter. So children, please read whatever I have taught in this video or in this chapter, whatever is written, please read. If any problem occurs, let me know. Okay. Bye for the day.